Good morning, everyone. We're here. We're here at North Star Lake. We finally made it yesterday, but we had a bunch of stuff to do, so I didn't do any filming. So here we are. Tent is all set up. Girlfriend's still sleeping. It's early. It's like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning, and as you can, if you can hear it, it's raining a little bit. I think today we're gonna pack up the tent and we're gonna go check out some fish hatchery. Should be fun. I've never been to one before, so hopefully I'll be able to film a little bit. If I can't, I'll do lots of B-roll. So I'll see you a little later. I'm just gonna make a coffee right now. It should be a fun day. Cheers, coffee. All right, I'm gonna hang out for a bit. I'm gonna wait for my girlfriend to get up, and then I think we're gonna be heading out. All right, I'll see you later. Hey everyone, welcome back. Just hung out this morning, had some breakfast. I had to run into Cranbrook, and now we're going to the fish hatchery. Should be fun. Should be fun. So we got a little bit of a jaunt, and then I'll see you there. We're at the Kootenay Lake Trout Hatchery. This place is pretty cool. They have all these bins to transfer them across. Some cutthroat. I've never been here. This place is actually pretty cool. I've never checked it out, but I'm gonna take some B-roll and I'll show you the rest of this place. It's pretty cool. All right, I'll see you in a bit. That was fun. The fish hatchery over down there. Had a little bit of a lunch off the back of the truck, which is always fun. And I think now we're going to Norbury Lake. We're gonna go see how it is. Maybe it's cool. I've never been there. So, and then after that, I think we're going to Cranbrook to do some shopping, look for a couple things. So I'll save you the boredom on that one, but all right, let's get going.
Lake you can walk to from the campground, and then there's a lake over there too.
Oh.
So there's a lake just right here on this
That's
side.
Norbury Lake, and the other one's the other one.
Yeah. Yeah, this is Norbury Lake.
Well, we're back. It was quick.
Oh, you
Can't really get to the lake.
You can. You have to drive around it.
Where's drive around?
You have to keep going straight the other way.
Oh well, we're heading the other way. We went to Norbury Lake. We didn't find it, but I guess there is a way you can drive around the side. But we're heading to Cranbrook, and I'm going to leave you at that. I'll see you back when we get to the campsite. Hey everyone, back at the campsite. We went to Cranbrook. We had to do some shopping and find a couple things, but we found one thing, but not the other. I've just been hanging out. We had a delicious supper, Sloppy Joe's. But I think it might be time for beer 30 or something. So let's see what's on the agenda today. What you doing?
Just looking for a warmer shirt.
Oh. Let's see. Ooh. Dead frog. Lemon. Whoops. Dead frog. Lemon lime creamsicle. Girlfriend found a box of these. They had strawberry creamsicle, lemon lime creamsicle, peach creamsicle, which I've already had, and orange creamsicle. So, new beers all day long. Not bad. Still not my favorite. Peach is definitely the winner. Alright, we're gonna just hang out. I think we're gonna have a fire later, and I'll see you then. Well, everyone, that's what happens when you don't check your camera before you start recording. I left the camera in time-lapse mode and I filmed an outro, so we couldn't have a fire, so we decided to just have a game. We had a good night. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, comment. That would be awesome. And also hit the notification bell. See you on the next adventure.